failure is not a opposite side of success. I think Bharat 2047 is not a dream. It's a target. Don't wait. Start today and build brick by brick.
Good afternoon, this is Chintan Rane reporting from Bharat Conclave 2.0 Red Carpet. With us, we have Dr. Ketaki Kanzbekar. How are you doing today, ma'am?
Thank you so much. I'm good.
Great. So, we'll be starting with the questions. I want you to share your insights or answers on it. So, ma'am, what does Bharat 2.0 represent to you as a leader and why do you think it matters today?
So the energy here is very, very different. It's very, very inspirational panels, and I'm enjoying it.
Great, ma'am. And to going back to your journey, ma'am, what is the toughest lesson from your leadership and business journey that you have experienced so far?
Well, I think failure is not a opposite side of success. It is a part and parcel of the success.
Yeah, ma'am. And to come back to the same thing, ma'am, looking back, did that lesson change the way you lead people today?
Yes, absolutely. To deal with this new generation is quite difficult,
Yeah.
but it is very, very enjoyable
It is true.
to deal with the new generation. And
Ma'am, what was the biggest challenge or what was the point that you like to share, like dealing with the new generation?
well, they use the AI most often. And being in the old era, I have educated in the old era, so I don't use AI. So they are quick people, but the result is not what I expect from them. at the end.
Understandable, ma'am. So, ma'am, coming back to the AI, so what are your thoughts and opinion on it? So, what have you learned so far about it? And what are your thoughts?
So AI is useful, but not on the daily basis. So have a legal background also. So you cannot generate the drafts from AI. Definitely not, because they don't give you the actual information. Because I think AI is based off the outer country, not Indian based.
Yeah.
So they are not aware about the Indian Act thoroughly.
They're not aware about how we connect with people, especially
Yeah.
the human parts of it.
Correct.
And our country is known for being connectivity, right?
Yes, correct. And artificial intelligence is different, and emotional intelligence is one.
Agreed, ma'am. Totally agree.
Yes.
So, what is the one opportunity in Bharat that people are still underestimating, according to you?
I think women in India consistently and more often underestimated.
That is true. But, ma'am, like, why do you think people are still overlooking that opportunities?
About women,
Yeah, ma'am. Why are women like overlooking it, or why the issues are happening around the same?
so still there are so many issues women are facing in India. So even if they are working, they are facing pay parity, they are facing boys club culture, and they are facing glass ceiling. So there is a huge gap.
Understandable. So, what are the predictions you have about Bharat in the next 5 to 10 years, ma'am?
I think Bharat 2047 is not a dream. It's a target, and I think we are ahead of the target.
Definitely, ma'am.
Yes.
Let's move on to a very fun segment. This
Okay.
is my favorite part.
Okay.
This is a rapid fire question round.
Okay.
I'll be asking you questions. I want you to answer. Give me one word or short answer quickly. Okay?
Okay. Sure.
So let's go. So one overrated and underrated leadership quality according to you.
Overrated speed, underrated patience.
Great. That is a beautiful answer, ma'am.
Thank you.
So which is the one go-to movie or web series that you watch when you're free?
Well, I don't watch the movie often, but Panchayat definitely,
Okay.
because it's introduced me to the rural India.
Understand. That is a very beautiful series which connects us to our roots, ma'am.
Correct.
Definitely.
Absolutely correct.
One leader you love to have coffee with.
Well, there are so many, but if I have to choose only one, then Indra Nooyi. So from Chennai to PepsiCo boardroom, she is
Yeah.
the inspiration to all the Indian women.
That is true. Like the work that she has done is tremendous, ma'am.
Correct.
She has inspired a lot of women to come ahead, be out there in the market.
Yes, absolutely.
So one reason every leader should attend Bharat 2.0 conclave, ma'am.
This is very inspirational conclave, and it is very informative conclave.
Thank you, ma'am. And one last question for you. One piece of advice for the upcoming business leaders.
don't wait. Start today and build brick by brick.
Beautiful, ma'am. Thank you so much for that. It was lovely having you. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
your time.
Thank you so much.